Hey guys, how's it going? So, let's get into it. We have the TYRO, Eachine TYRO99. Alright, so we went ahead and took the lid off. Let's see what we have inside. What can you expect if you purchase one of these? Link will be in the description down below. This was sent in to me courtesy of Banggood.com. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to do the review on this. I really appreciate it. Like I said, guys, links down in the description down below. Please click it, and thank you for your support on my channel. So let's see what we get into. Got 6% on my camera. So this is a guide on putting it together really well, because the 69 didn't have none of that, and I'd like to see that. So check out the specs on this guy. It's a 210 frame, 2206 2150 kV motors, 2 clockwise, 2 counter, 1 4-in-1 30 amp ESC BL heli, customized F4 flight controller, 700 TVL camera. Now I know a lot of people have this, and the camera and the VTX are the two problems. So we're gonna work with that, but I want to do everything stock and see how it flies from that way. So I will add on or do the mods later. So let's go ahead and just flip through this real quick and see what we got here. So it looks like it's showing you all about the frame and the RPMs. Really good info. The ESC covers on the flight controller. Looks like we got a wiring diagram there, which is really nice to see. And on these VTXs, it's this little MMCX connector that makes them really bad. You hardwire to it, it makes a whole lot better. So we'll get into all that later as we go through. Flying the TYRO99. Looks like it talks about our VTX there. Exploited view of the quad. Some propellers. Okay, beta flight configurator page. Awesome. So we got some stickers. We got a set of quad props, 4 blades. We might use those, might not. Okay, got a like pagoda type style antenna. Got some wiring. I'm just trying to quickly go through this. The frame here, really thick arms. Look at that, like 5mm arms. So, like I said, a couple of you guys got this already and know all about it. Looks like we got the battery plate with the things. I really thought this was a good idea on what they give you the option of putting under the screws on the bottom. Looks like we have our frame rails, a strap. Really cool. Check this out. Keychain. Got a bag of mixed hardware there, screws. Looks like we have a VTX SMA cord with MMCX connector. Got a couple prop wrenches and wrenches to put it together. Awesome. Some shrink wrap to go down the arms. Got our VTX over here, 40 channel Eachine, 25, 200, 600. Pretty cool. I didn't know it did all that. We got our camera down in here. If we can get that out real quickly. Here's the camera here, 700 TVL. Basically what's stock with our wizards that we come with. You guys remember that. Here's the flight controller. Here's the ESC. Nice capacitor already on it. That's good to see. Here's our motors. 2206, 2150. Really cool. We got 4 of those. 2 clockwise, 2 counter. So that's what's in the box. Let's get it built. There it is, guys. Check it out. Really nice. Everything went together really well on it, I felt. Right here the standoffs were just a bit too tall, and I had to nip them off because when I put the frame on, it hit here. Other than that, everything's good to go. Got her in the beta flight, got everything set up, so let's take it out for a flight and see how this thing flies.